It means a lot to me because of the culture of Wales I'm very proud of. I think it's nice for me to be able to use Welsh language in work, even though it's a little bit. It's my vocabulary's building personally, and I want to lead a team who are going to become like-minded if they're not already. Massively, again, for heritage, culture, who we are as Welsh people, as a Welsh culture, that we've got to have a language that we're proud of and that's used and it's useful to people that live here. And I think it gives us a stronger sense of culture because we have our own language that's unique.